Hey there, this is the OSUIT Library, and today I'm going to walk you through on how to create a Hoopla account. So Hoopla is kind of like a free online library that has things like eBooks, obviously, audiobooks, even has comics and music as well, and a whole lot more. So we're going to start at our library website, library.osuit.edu, and then we're going to scroll down just a little bit until we get to database resources. We're going to click on that. And there's a couple of ways you can find it up here. I'm just going to search for it by letter, because that's just easier for me. And then we're going to scroll all the way down until we see Hoopla right here. So we're going to click on that. So you can see it takes you to a login page, but since we're creating an account, we're going to come down here to the sign up option. And then we're going to press let's go. So the first step is you need to find our library. So in this instance, you can actually see it right here, OSU Institute of Technology. But if you don't, you can just search for it up here. So I'm going to go ahead and click that, and then next. And here's where things are kind of complicated. So your library card name is going to be your OKey short name. So that's mine right there. If you are not sure what your short name is, that's okay. We have a video that walks you through how to find that information, and I'll link it in the top right-hand corner below. And then your library PIN, that is going to be the password that you use for your OKey or your OK State email. So we do recommend that if you ever do change it in OKey, like you sometimes have to like once a semester or so, that you do also change it on Hoopla, just so that way you'll remember. But once you do that, you're going to press next, and then it's going to create your account. So I'm going to come way all the way back here, and I'm going to log in just to give you all an idea of what you'll see. And this is what your home page will look like. So if you want to know more about searching Hoopla here, or even searching for Hoopla books in the catalog, I'll link those videos up here in the top right-hand corner. But otherwise, happy reading.